Hey guys, it's Bieber. So this story today is about a 3-year-old little girl, and it actually happened on the 30th, the 29th or the 30th, something like that. Yeah, the 29th. And this 3-year-old little girl was left in a bathroom. They think she was left by her mother. They're not sure. They're looking for this woman. We're gonna watch this little video, but this is like the third or fourth case I've seen in the past 2 weeks to where people have just dropped off kids somewhere. What is, I hope this is not a new thing to where it's going to be on an uptick. Why, I mean, I'm glad they're unharmed. I'm glad that they're safe and that the parents didn't just keep the kids and do harm to them. But how bad is it if we had to be grateful for that? Why why at an alarming rate people are just deciding they don't want a parent. They don't want an adult. They don't want to do the right thing where kids are concerned. Every single day, hundreds of kids are affected. I I'm grasping at straws. I'm grasping at straws, guys. Let's take a look.
I'm Lieutenant David Valenta of the Special Victims Section at the Las Vegas Metropolitan Police Department, and we need your help. Yesterday, Tuesday, December 29th, at approximately
I did want to say this too. I did just double check. I have not seen any updated stories on this child. I haven't seen that they have found the mom. I haven't seen anything except for what came out 4 days ago. So there is no concrete update. If y'all know somewhere, link an article in the comments below, something like that. But I did do some looking, and I have not seen an update at all on this story.
11 a.m., a 3-year-old child was abandoned at the Wynn Hotel. A woman who we believe is the little girl's mother left the child in a woman's restroom near the casino. What we know at this time is that at approximately 9 a.m., the woman and child took a cab to the Fashion Show Mall, then ultimately walked across the street to the Wynn Hotel, where she abandoned the child. During the cab ride, the woman did
As well, let's get a better look.
inquire about the nearest shelter. However, she was last seen walking away from the Wynn Hotel.
How can you
We are
leave your
asking the
child
public to
like
help us
that?
in identifying this woman. She is African American, possibly Nigerian. She is in her mid to late 20s, approximately 5 feet 5 inches, and 125.
So here's the specs of this lady. Blonde wig, 5'5", 125 pounds, possibly Nigerian, mid to late 20s, and she's wearing a blonde wig and a ponytail. Little girl appears to be healthy, happy, and unharmed.
Plus pounds. She was last seen wearing a blonde wig and a ponytail and leggings. The little girl appears to be in good health and does not appear physically harmed. She is currently in the care of Child Protective Services.
Oh
If
my
you have any
gosh.
information on this woman, we urge you to please contact the Metropolitan Police Department, or you can remain anonymous by
There's the numbers.
calling Crime Stoppers at 702-385-5555. Remember, even during these most difficult times, help is available. All you have to do is ask.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Ask, don't leave your child in the middle of Las Vegas in a bathroom. What? Who does that anyway? She didn't even put the kid in a place to where, you know, leaving a child in a bathroom is not exactly the right thing to do. So this is what she looks like. This is the little girl. Anybody in the Las Vegas area that have seen these two, well, seen the woman, the child is in protective custody. We had the story of the little baby that was left in South Haven, Mississippi, right there by Memphis. The mother, the biological mother, she winds up in Nashville with some felonious story that some man tried to force her into a life of, sex trafficking when the mother willingly gave her own child, her own son, to this alleged pimp. You can't even make this shit up. It's all bullshit. It's all bullshit. I don't know what is going on. And I don't, what makes you think, like, this kid is not a newborn. You just decide I'm sick of being, I don't, 3 years in, I'm over this shit. I'm not even trying to start out my new year with this accessory. What is wrong with people exactly? What is wrong with people exactly? I'm working on something about these two missing babies out of Cal City. I'm gonna say, man, there again, how dumb do people think? How dumb do people think other people are? How dumb do they think the police are? What is going on in these people's brains when they do this? We're just gonna drop the baby off. New Year's Eve is coming up. I gotta get my party on. I'm just gonna, somebody else will deal with this, mistake that I made. I hate people. This is disgusting. What has happened to our families? What has happened to our fathers? What I know for me, like, I was born with a mothering DNA. Women are born with certain things that they are it just should come. Nurturing, all this other stuff. This is bananas. 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 What is wrong with people? What the hell is wrong with people? I'm off my soapbox. Happy New Year, everybody. And I'm so excited to see what the year brings. And we're going to continue to be a voice for the voiceless. Y'all have a good one.